welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I really hope you and your loved ones are safe and doing well. So today I want to do a very simple and easy makeup look. I'll try as best as possible to walk you through each step as I go along. I'm gonna start my makeup routine with my Mario Badescu facial spray. It's kind of a skincare product, and you can also use it at the end of your makeup routine to set everything in place. So I'm starting out by filling in my eyebrows, just following the natural shape of the brows, filling them in and giving myself a bit of an eye arch. For this step, you don't necessarily have to use a pencil. You can use powder, you can use a brow pomade, anything works. So I'm just brushing the product in so it's nice and blended and doesn't look too stark, and neatening up any area that needs it. So as you can see, the brows are looking a bit messy, so I'm going in now with some foundation on a flat concealer brush to clean up around the brows. And this is a foundation that is like about 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. You can use concealer as well, that's totally fine. Pretty much does the same thing. And also, if you don't want to get this light, that's totally fine. It's your preference and your option to do whatever shade or whatever method you want to use. You can also leave it here if you want. You don't definitely have to go on top of the brows, especially with this light of a color. So I'm gonna blend this light foundation shade now with my usual foundation shade, so the concealing that I'll be doing on the top isn't so light and stark. This will definitely have the brows blending into the foundation color a lot more seamless. The foundation and with the foundation. So I'm using this mid-tone brown with a fluffy blending brush and going into my crease, blending that all the way over from the end to the inner corner. I'm also gonna take this kind of a warm tone brown and blend that right on top of that first color I applied. I don't want the crease too dark, so I might leave it here. And then I'm going in with this green loose pigment with a flat eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna add just a little bit more foundation on my eyelid so the eyeshadow has something to stick to. I'm gonna use my pencil brush and a dark brown eyeshadow and just go around the edges of the green eyeshadow and the brown to diffuse that line, and whatever of the green pigment I lose, I'll just go back in with the flat eyeshadow brush to replace that. foundation using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. I'm in the shade 356, yeah. And I'm applying this with a flat top kabuki brush. Finished with foundation, and now I'm moving on to highlight and contouring. I'm gonna highlight first, and you basically want to highlight to give your face some dimension and structure. So I'm going under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. You can also go over the lips and on the forehead as well, but my forehead is pretty small in my opinion, so I'm gonna leave my forehead bare and just do these areas only. And of course, where the shades are concerned, you can go with whatever shade you want, but to brighten the face you definitely want to go at least 2 shades lighter than your foundation color. Once you have a concealer shade that you use to brighten the eyebrows, you can go in with that same concealer under the eyes to do the highlighting. And for contouring, if you don't have a darker foundation or concealer to give the low light, you can go in with a darker powder or even use an eyeshadow that's suitable in color to do the low light. Low light is just another word for contour. Now moving on to my contour slash low light, I'm using a black opal stick foundation in the in the shade Suede Mocha, and I'll be going at my cheekbone and around the perimeter of my face. To find, like, my face is pretty flat, so an easier way to find my contour is to just go right on top of my cheekbone, and I can feel that bone here, it's pretty prominent, and it's right in like the middle of my ear, and I just want to blend that coming down, not too far down, but right at the cheek area. Almost the same place where you would apply a blush. Just not as high. And as you can see, the contour color is pretty much giving my face some warmth along with adding some dimension and structure. So if you like, you can also contour your nose. I'm definitely gonna contour mine for obvious reasons. I'm gonna use a small fluffy brush, but I'm not adding as much product because I don't want these two lines to be too obvious on the face. I'm going at the top of my eyebrows and coming straight down. And this is basically helping again to give shape to the face, to the nose to be specific, and also to add dimension. And the dimension here will also give an illusion of a smaller nose. That's what they say. I'm not sure if this helps mine in particular. Once that's done, I'm going back in with my foundation brush, also with my beauty blender, and I'm going around basically my entire face just to blend and merge everything together. I definitely don't want to have any unblended lines or anything like that. So hopefully this looks pretty decent on camera as well. The next step, of course, is to set everything with powder. For my highlighted areas, I'm going in with a translucent powder. This is the RCMA No Color powder. It's white in color, but once it's blended, it basically blends out to the color of whatever you're adding it on top of. So I'm using that same small fluffy brush again that I used for the concealer under the eyes, and I'm just patting this in gently. And as I stated, I'm using this translucent powder for all the areas where I added the lighter concealer. I'm also gonna set the contoured areas with a powder that's equivalent to the shade of the contour that I added earlier. If you don't have all of these powders, guys, definitely try to let what you have work. You can definitely set your highlight and contour with a skin tone powder. For blush, I'm using the Black Radiance Toasted Baked Blush in the shade Toasted Almond. To be honest, I really don't like to highlight my cheeks too much, so I'm gonna use this highlighter just to highlight the inner corner on the eyes and a little bit on my nose, under the brow bone as well, and I think I'll just leave it there. Nine times out of 10, if I'm not wearing just lip gloss, I'm always wearing a lip liner. So I'm applying this dark brown one. And please blend your lip liner. You can't draw the line and leave it so it don't look good. I tell you, blend it out, man. guys, that's the end of the tutorial. If you liked it, please do give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn the bell notification on. If you have any requests, you can leave that down in the comment section below. Please do be safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one soon.